Hey everybody, it's Chris, Vegan Zombie here, and today I'm going to do a small little food haul. I want to find out if there's any new vegan products that I don't know about. Normally I will go to the Expo, Natural Product Expo East and West, and find all the newest vegan products that will be released in a given year. This year, obviously, because of the pandemic, I was unable to do that, so I'm pretty much just as clueless as anyone else. So the way I find out is just going to the store and finding any new items. So I'm going to go to my local health food store, which is Green Planet. I've done a couple videos here in the past, and they usually have some of the most rare and obscure items that a lot of other stores like Wegmans, Tops, Trader Joe's, Aldi around here doesn't have. So I'm going to go do that now, but I'm also going to go get some lunch. So I'll see you there. Okay, so I'm with Rachel right now, and we decided to go to the Noodle house. They have really good vegan food here. They have their own little vegan menu. And unfortunately, they're not open for dine-in right now, but they are open for carry-out. Got some vegan curry with rice, vegan banh mi, and I'll be probably eating that in the car before I head over to Green Planet Grocery.
Get my hair back, so we're gonna eat some food.
I whip my hair back and forth. Okay, so I have this curry right here, and what else do we have? This is probably, what is this, the rice? That's probably the rice.
WR, what does that mean?
White rice.
Oh.
A banh mi.
No, it's the spring rolls.
Oh, I didn't know you bought spring rolls.
I did.
This is what you get every time. You really got to eat that right away because when it gets all soggy, it's not as good anymore.
Yeah, hang on. Here.
Let's see what that is.
This is the best thing of all time. And I got it because Sarah Swati told me about it.
Questionable.
This is not questionable. This is the best thing on their menu. Are you guys ready?
I don't agree,
Dun,
but...
da, da, da. Well, it's prettier when it's assembled, but it's the egg roll noodle bowl.
Oh, they didn't cut it up like they usually do. So you got all these egg rolls.
Yeah, so you like mix everything all together.
So basically it's an egg roll surprise.
Vegan egg roll.
Yeah, of course it's vegan. The bread.
Oh my god, this is big.
Is it? Oh, yeah, no, that's how they normally, well.
Really? Normally?
No, that's a little bit bigger, yeah. And
look at that bad boy.
The bread on this is so good.
It's like a hoagie.
Look at how delicious that looks with the mask in the background. And this is our view right there. How nice. This is dining in the 2020. Dining in 2020, guys. This is my tofu and vegan chicken curry over rice. And it's really good. Although it doesn't look as good as this. Which one we got here? This one right here? It's a balsam fir. So we just got our Christmas tree picked out. Now we are going through to get it placed on top of the car. Now this is where John used to work. He used to do the Christmas trees here, and I have a video of him doing it from a couple of years ago. All right, so I did a little bit of video in the store to showcase some of the new items they have, which I'll get to in a minute. But this is some of the stuff that I picked up that some of the stuff isn't really new. I just want to kind of point it out. But some of the stuff is new and I've never seen it before. So let's start out with, you go to a Whole Foods store, and, a lot of other stores will have a section where you can buy bulk and stuff. So grabbed a couple things here. We got some chlorella, which is very nutrient dense. It's very healthy for you. It's organic. Found that in the bulk section, along with this apple pie spice. So that would come in handy this time of year. Okay, so Ithaca hummus. Ithaca is a neighboring city to Syracuse, so it's only like an hour, 15 minutes from here. But they have this Ithaca hummus. It's not new, but it's delicious. Okay, I don't know if you guys have seen this in any stores near you. They do sell this at Wegmans, and they have several different flavors. They got the classic hummus here and the smoked chipotle. And it was actually on sale, so grabbed a couple of these. The Go Raw brand. These are sprouted power seed coconut clusters. I really like the brand Go Raw. I was eating them when I was raw vegan. I wanted something to, just satisfy my cravings. And I remember buying there's like a little bar, like a cracker bar that is pizza flavored. Really good. I like it. I don't really do the coconuts. Rachel actually picked out these ones. These are hers. These are new. And then these primal strips. These are like vegan jerky. These are not new. I used to eat these back in the day when I lived in DC, but in case anybody has not seen these before, primal strips, they are pretty good. I love the Texas barbecue. I like all their flavors really, but we have the teriyaki and the Texas barbecue. So if you find these, give them a try if you haven't tried them before, because I've been eating these for many, many years. Super good. Annie's vegan, certified organic, rich and creamy shells and vegan cheddar mac and cheese. Now be careful because not all of Annie's items are vegan, so make sure you read the ingredients on the box. And this is new. I've never seen this before. And they also had another one there that had broccoli in it. Didn't get that one, but I did get this one. Rich and creamy. I'm excited to try this out and see how it compares to some of the other box mac and cheeses. And if you're wondering which ones I think are the best, you can check out the video. John and I, a few years ago, we did a whole taste test on different vegan mac and cheeses. So we have that one. And then we have this one right here. This is another Annie's organic. This is vegan cheesy rice. And I'm also excited to try this one because when I first started cooking when I was like 14, this is right when I first went vegetarian, even before I was vegan, I would make a lot of cheesy rice and cheesy rice. So that's interesting, and I would like to try this. This is aged cheddar flavor, cheese flavored sauce with hidden veggies. So interested in trying that out. Now this is a brand new item. I was super excited to see this because their products are really, really good. And Chow now has creamy original vegan shreds. Now this is the brand Field Roast, and they have their Chow. So this cheese is super good. This is the only flavor that I saw that they carried. I don't know if there's any other flavors. Let me know if you guys have seen any. Miyoko's also has some shreds too. Now she sent me some of her, the block cheese, the aged block cheese, and also the slices. But they also have that in shreds as well. Tofutti Cutie. Now this is not new by any means. This is one of the first things I started eating when I was a vegan, a new vegan. And the reason why I'm showcasing this one is because normally you can find the vanilla flavor, but it's not as common to find the chocolate flavor. And at one point they even had a Neapolitan where they had like, it was cut into 3 different flavors for each ice cream sandwich. I haven't seen that in a very, very, very long time. I don't know if they still sell those. Let me know in the comments below if they sell them near a store near you. But these are, one day, a long time ago, I ate a whole package of these. And they're that good. Let me show you what they look like. They're little ones like this, little Tofutti Cuties. And they are really good. So, and they've held up through the years. Okay, Tofutti Cutie. Now here's another one that I found. This is called Cool House. And these are cookie ice cream sandwiches. I have not tried these yet, but the last time I did a video here at Green Planet, Caleb, my friend that works there, he pointed these out to me, so I figured I'll give it a try. And this one is the chocolate cookie swirl and cookie crumb frozen dessert. So it's kind of like a cookies and cream kind of thing. And it is starting to melt, so I gotta hurry up and put this in the freezer. Early in the year, last year, I went to a New York City expo, way before the days of the pandemic, and they had these pigless pork rinds. And I remember when I was a little kid, I was real little, I tried a pork rind, not a vegan one, and I tried it, and it was disgusting. It was horrible. I spit it out. So when I saw that they had vegan pork rinds, I wasn't sure if I wanted to try it, but you know, I was at the expo and they offered them to me, and I'm like, all right, I'll give it a try. And I tried it, and it was super good. Nothing like what I tried when I was little. So they have vegan porkless pork rinds. This is Texas barbecue. They have a few other flavors out there, and pick it up, try it out if you ever see these in the store near you. Unreal vegan peanut butter cups, super good. Looks like somebody already got into these. It wasn't me. Again, check them out because there is one flavor that's not vegan, but all the other ones will say vegan right on them. Easy reference right there. Check them out. They also have like their vegan version of M&Ms. There were some other things in the store that I didn't buy, but I just want to mention. They had the Meiwa. Meiwa makes all the imitation, like the vegan chicken drumsticks that a lot of people see. A lot of restaurants use these. Well, they have those. You cook them up yourself and flavor them up yourself. And they also have some like vegan chicken, vegan seafood. They have a lot of products. And now it's nice to know that Green Planet Grocery carries a bunch of those. They also have these sliders here, which by Dr. Prager's. I've not tried these. These look pretty good. I do want to try them at some point. And they have this pizza by Sweet Earth. I know this came out, I think, a year or two ago, but it's the first time in a store that I've seen it. I did try it at one of the expos. So now I want to get to some of the other products that I just wanted to lump into this video. Now, these were not at the store I went to, so I don't know which stores actually sell these, but these are new products that the company sent me recently, so I kind of just want to talk about them in this video. We have these Gelato Moon Pies. These Gelato Pies, these are like a frozen gelato pie, and it's really good. I'm not going to lie, I already tried a few of these. They have the mocha one, which I have not tried. They have the vanilla, pretty good. The mint, pretty good. And then they had the chocolate, which was my favorite, super good. I don't have the box here, I already ate it. They're set in this like nice little cookie crumble pie kind of like layer, and then the ice cream and the chocolate covering. It's really good. So if you find these in a store near you, go ahead and pick it up. I highly recommend the chocolate one. And the last company that sent me product was Coconut Bliss. This is their organic line. This is sea salt caramel. It is says vegan right there, so it's certified vegan. There are 3 servings per container, and this one has 290 calories per serving, and it is chocolatey goodness. It's melted a little bit because they have been out while I've been doing this video, so I need to put these back in the freezer. The other one here is Sweet Cherry Amaretto, organic. And we have Ginger Cookie Caramel. Ooh, that looks really good. Look at that. And then the last one here is Madagascan Vanilla Bean. I've got a funny story about Madagascar, which has nothing to do with this, but when I was younger and I was doing geography, the way I learned about Madagascar, and this was my own little way of learning it, was Madagascar was right across from Mozambique. Now, one of them were located in Africa, and the other one was an island to the east coast of Africa. And the way I learned this was because Madagascar was mad that it wasn't included with all the other countries in Africa, because it was out there on its lonesome. So, yeah, Madagascar. And then the other thing they have here is their cookie sandwich, ice cream cookie sandwich. And this is, again, gluten-free and organic. Let me just open it and show you what it looks like. 2 vegan cookies, organic cookies, with some ice cream in the middle. There you go. And I guess this is big enough to, you know, fill you up. Unless you have like a voracious appetite, then you might need a couple of them. Or you might want one of these. These are their Coconut Bliss Coconut Almond in Chocolate Organic ice cream bars. I remember buying these at like, you know, my school cafeteria when I was in high school, middle school, and I think even the ice cream man. Obviously, it wasn't the vegan version, but here we go, the vegan version. Coconut Bliss. And they also have the sea salt caramel in chocolate coating. So 2 new ice cream bar, and let me just show you what they look like here. Like that. They come 3 in a pack. I don't really want to eat one right now because I haven't eaten dinner yet, but there we go. That's what it looks like. Just like that. All right, maybe a little bit. Oh my God, that's so good. Am I going to have to eat the rest of it now? So I need to get the perishables back in the refrigerator and the freezer. I hope you guys like this video. If you have seen any of these items in any stores near you, let me know in the comments below which store has which item, because that will help other people out so they'll know, because not everybody lives in the area that I live in. I can only help people out with where I've been and which stores I've been to. So that would be a great help. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That really helps with the algorithm. And share it if you would. And other than that, stay safe. Watch out for zombies. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go set up my Christmas tree.